Hi guys, welcome to my channel SAPLobby. Today we'll discuss about the digital signature in the Engineering Change Master. So there are actually when you do the release the change number, um, when you release the object, when you change the status of the engineering change record, how to use how do you use the digital signature, and so there are we can do the use this signature by using creating the authorization object, and another like by using the signature strategy. Okay, so today we will discuss how to create the signature strategy for the digital signature in the engineering change. Okay, so let's go to system. So here in the SPRO, log in again. So SPRO, and in this cross application component, here engineering change master, under engineering change master, change type approval. Okay, so here first we need to create a authorization group, define authorization group. Okay, so suppose I will copy this one, I will create new one. Okay, issue one. So now I created, first we need to create a authorization group. Okay, I created this one, issue one engineering change master 1. Save it. Okay, now after authorization group, next is to create the single signature or individual signature. Okay, so here suppose I will copy this one. So here suppose I will give issue one, and here we will assign that authorization group what we created in the previous node. Okay, so we are created issue one. So here issue one. Then I will save it. Okay, after that signature strategy. Okay, so here suppose create create new entry. Okay, suppose here we'll say ECM 1. Okay, signature. Okay, so here if you look at, there are different types of there. System signature, authorization by SAP user and password, user signature with external security product with verification, external security product without verification. So these two are like when you have some kind of out external system being used for security purpose. Okay, and there you are maintaining the some signatures for this. These are for those two, but for now we'll use this one, system signature with by SAP user ID and password. Okay, and here like if you want to give the comment, for comment possible, and remark, okay, possible. If you want to do some documentation, it's possible. And this one, after that, verification. Suppose you are using the multiple layer of signature and multiple layer of approver, okay. So before the signature, you want to you want to system to check whether previous signature is done or not, previous is approved or not. Then you have to check this one to verify the previous signature, okay. So now here, if I go to the next, so here you can give the, suppose here which one I created, this one, okay. Now it is created. So we, as what we created in the individual signature, that we have given the here, okay. Now we created the signature strategy, okay. Okay, so this is coming. So now we don't have any like predecessor or predecessor, so we will not get these things, okay. So now it is done. So we maintain the authorization group, single signature strategy, okay. Now we have to maintain in the signature network. So like network means, suppose where you want to maintain the signature, okay. So on what, at what stage you need to have the digital signature, okay, that you need to maintain, okay. So before that, let me check the what we have created in the authorization group. Our is EC1, okay. So now we'll go to the, for the change master, okay. Here we'll put EC1, one, okay. So suppose you want to, one second, so here I need to check signature strategy what you created. ECM1, okay. We were created ECM1. So now, so if I go to this one, okay, so here I will create our one EC1 here, okay. Then suppose if when you approve the EC engineering change record, so here I keep my strategy ECM1, okay. Now suppose when you convert the ECR engineering change record to engineering change order, and during conversion you want to give, here also you can give for digital signature, okay. and then suppose when you release that time. Okay, so then this is being assigned to signature network for engineering change master record. Okay, now suppose for object. Okay, for object suppose here I will copy this one and here. Okay, same one. Okay, so here now we assign the digital signature for the engineering master record level. Okay, and for object. And for object. Okay, so in object, like where we assign, suppose when you say change possible, that time we assign the digital signature, and also when you release the change on the object level, that time also we assign the digital signature. Okay, now I will go to transaction level. So here we'll create one engineering change record first. Okay, and release key. Then one more thing, actually I forgot. So once we create all these in signature strategy, okay, we need to assign that engineering strategy to change type. Okay, so again, so now if I go to change type. Okay, so okay, our one is signature strategy. So we have created the signature strategy ECM1. Okay, so now if I go to change type, okay, so suppose here I will give the ECM EC1. Okay, signature network. Okay, EC1. So this is for I gave for the change type this one 201. Okay, so now I'll save it. Okay, now once I save it, I'll go to create one change master. So here we'll create the ECR. Okay, and here I will choose the change type. okay, 201. Now if I go here, suppose okay, and here I'll put the valid from suppose today's date, okay, and change status this one, okay, and object type, okay, it is there, okay. Now object, suppose I will assign one bomb, suppose this one I will assign one bomb, okay, and here I will assign that change type, okay, and I will save it. Okay. Now if I go inside again to that same change number, okay, and I will start processing this change number, change master. Suppose first we'll approach to check this ECR, okay, I'll continue, okay. Now if I go to object, okay, I select here and I will go here and I will say change possible, so suppose here continue, okay, I'll save it, okay. Now if I go here and I will approve, so in up we have given our signal strategy during approve ECR, so you'll get this screen, okay, signal strategy. Here my user ID is coming here, this is a remark of this change number, okay, and here if you want to give the comment you can give the comment, okay, and here you have to give your login password, SAP system login password. Suppose I will give my login password, okay, then save it, okay. So now this is approved. Now it went to the next stage, okay. Now I'll save it again. Suppose here convert ECR to ECU, so we'll convert that one, okay. So again for conversion also we have given this one, okay. So again it is, so now it is like converted, okay. So now I can use this change number in the object, okay. So if I go to that bomb, so I will use that one, okay. So suppose here I will use 4. So now it convert to engineering change request to engineering change order, okay. So I will use this one, okay. Now I changed here. Now I will go to the again the change request, change number. Okay, here now before I go to the close this, so I'll go to the object, select this one, object status. Now complete change is completed. Okay, so I'll save it. Okay, now again if I go to here, continue. Okay, then again, so now if I go to the object, I need to release that change. Okay, okay, now I'll save it. Now if I go here and then I will release that one. So then at during release also we'll get this pop-up. Okay, so now my change number is released. Okay, continue. Okay, so now everything is completed. Okay, now you can save it. Okay, so this is what the use of digital signature in the engineering change master. Okay, so where if during release approve based on your process, you can use the digital signature. Okay, hope you understood this process. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.